My name is Lindsay Alston, and I just wanted to tell you about this workshop that I will be hosting September 16th on Tuesday from 6:30 p.m. through 7:30 p.m. at the Hamilton East Public Library in Noblesville, Indiana. As you can see, the title here is Email Marketing 101, Learn to Craft Emails that Connect, Engage, and Convert Customers. This workshop is for local small business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers here in Noblesville. If you click the registration button here, you can sign up by going there, clicking here. It will take you over to the Hamilton East Public Library's landing page, where you can read briefly about more detail about what this is going to be about, but you can also register here. Do note that it's currently 20 seats remaining, so do take advantage of that. And also, I do ask if you follow me as well on LinkedIn. Why is that? Because I'm very active on LinkedIn. I post multiple times per day. I do engage with my audience there. As far as that's concerned. But if you can see, this is my site. I am, again, Lindsay Alston. If you scroll to the very bottom here, you will see that exact same flyer that showed you previously. So this is how you access the URL for it. So just come follow me on LinkedIn, click there. It's going to pop here. You can go to view. And again, it's going to take you right back to what I showed you earlier, which is the Hamilton East Public Library. So I do look forward to seeing you there. You do want to take advantage of this, and I know you will gain tremendous value from it as well. Thank you so much.